Well, ready for the next assembly. Now that we're building all this out, this is where the grease comes in. The 010-000 grease that you get from Bosch. Washer disc. I think they call it a disc. Let's see, what is it? 50 support disc. So this is a support disc. So we'll put that little grease on that. Put that on. And then the next piece is the 160. 160 is, spread these out so a little easier to see. 160 dampening ring. Okay, it's just a big O-ring is what it is. So the dampening ring, put that in there. Okay. Then next comes the bushing. And bushing goes like this. Okay. Then next, after that, is the block washer. Okay. They fit right in the slots here, just like that. Yeah, it's going to kind of fall off for now. Then next is the snap ring. Okay. All right, so that's what's going to hold all this together inside there. So I'm going to push it up and then put the snap ring. I got the new snap ring pliers, right, ready to go. So put some grease on this. And then tilt this up so we can see here. Okay, I got it started. What I did is I held my thumb over here on this side and put this and just carefully got it squeezed together and then got it started down in there. Now I could take the screwdriver and lightly tap. Got a little hammer here, and just kind of lightly tap with a screwdriver until it's into the slot. And there it goes. It's snapped in all the way around. Cool. So let's take the screwdriver to make sure. And there it is. Snap rings in. Okay, what's next? The spring. Okay, so let's see, snap ring, and then this goes in like that. Might as well go ahead and get these pushed in there. Like that. Okay. And the cup's on. This goes on. Like that. Okay. And this goes on. Like that. Then this goes on. This is called 22 is called the protective sleeve. This washer is called 31. The support disc. It goes in there like that. And then the 143 is the retainer. Now this is going to be fun to put on. Hey, look at that. Two thumbnails. I didn't need a screwdriver. 2 thumbnails. There we go. All this crap, I didn't even need it. All right. So I'll put all this stuff over there so it's out of my way. Take this off. There we go. Now the cap. Put my gloves back on. Microphone on, yep. Yep. Alright. Let's see what the camera looks like here. Oh yeah. So the cap, put some more grease on it, make it easier to put on. Need some on the inside. Alright. There we go. Alright, what's next? Looks like the armature. Got to get all that in before I put the cap on, because this comes up through the hole in this gear. Has got to be in the right spot. So, and this bushing, I didn't take it off, but it works good. Okay, get some of the gunk off of it. So this goes up in through there. Get the ground wire out of the way. Turn this over. Put a little grease in here. Okay. Okay, what you do in order to get this in there, what you do is you make sure that it's in between, it's in the right spot. The gear on the armature is going in between the wheel and the other gear. Once you have it set up, then take a piece of wood and then bam, knock it in. And when it's in, you'll see here where the bottom of the fan is up against the up against there where it should be. Right, so that's installed. Okay, what's next? Okay, I believe this goes on like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take these magnets out, okay, because this will be next to go down over the top and with this sticking out. And then we have this stuff over here. I don't know if we can see it. I got a bearing, a seal, and the cap and the nut that on top. That goes on top of this once you have it in between the magnets there. Brushes. Once you have it between in here, that's where all that stuff goes, is over here. And then I'm going to separate or take these brushes out of here and put the new brushes I got in the kit. So let's do that. Now to do that, I'm going to have to take this spring and pull the spring back carefully. Let's take this off first. Okay, and pull the spring back. Take the magnet out. Brushes. There's one. Okay. Put a new one in. Yeah, the new one's got serrations on it. That's kind of cool. All right. So let's get this in there. Let me get another small thing here. This might work. You can get both these springs kind of out of the way. I need another tiny screwdriver. There we go. Let's get this one up. All right. There we go. Screwdriver in there. Okay, pull this out. Okay. And put the new one in. Okay, let's see, that's going to go around like that. Doesn't really matter. What I'm doing is I'm getting it set up, so all I have to do is take it and push it on like that. And this is the ground. I think this is where the ground, oh no, this is the blue and the blue and the white wire. They go over here. I got it on video, so I'm gonna have to watch my own video to remember which one that goes on where. So anyway, I have these spread apart so I can get this over the top, and this is where the wiring comes up through the back here. So this ground wire comes up through up through this side hole in the back. Just like that.